See, what happened was some of the leases in Goa had ECs which were held to be illegal by the Supreme Court, and some were held to be legal. Those were 37 in number. So what happened was in 2021 there was an amendment to the MMDR Act which said that ECs which were valid and which were existing in favor of the erstwhile leaseholders will be continued in favor of the new leaseholders after the auction. So government had said that apart from 37 leases, the rest of the leases will have to obtain fresh ECs. But 37 leases where there were valid ECs had to be continued in favor of the new leaseholders. Now, in respect of that, Fomentos went to the High Court and said that this condition of the government saying that there should not be any ECs for this 37 leases and they can continue under the old EC is not correct, and that condition is bad. Today the High Court has accepted the case of Fomentos that fresh ECs are required for these particular leases which are 37 in number. So the only difference that has happened is now, like other leases which are auctioned earlier, these 37 leases also will have to obtain fresh ECs. That's the only difference that has happened.